Hi everyone, so we're going to do Wednesday Addams, so get your pigtails on and let's do this. Okay, so just put on your foundation, basically do a normal foundation routine with foundation and concealer and powder, but for the powder, try to use the lightest color possible, if you're pale already like me. If not, just use your normal color, because if you use a lighter color, it'll just look weird. So then I am going to take palette 2, and I think this one is Honorable. And then I'm contouring with that since it is a taupey brown color. Perfect for pale peoples. So I'm contouring cheeks and forehead. And then I think, yeah, and then a little bit on my eyes. This part, not really important because we're just going to put on eyeshadow anyways. So all of this is done with palette 2. This is Pristine Liner, and I didn't know what I was doing so far. I was just kind of going with it, but this will make your eyes larger, or look larger. So then put on eye primer, then we're going to go in with palette 2. I'm swatching colors because I have no idea what I'm doing, so kind of just going with the flow. So we're going to use that same color we used for contour and putting it in the crease slash socket of your eye, under your eye, and also I put it close to like the bridge of my nose area. Then I'm taking Cocky and putting that on the outer corner and crease and blending it out with a fluffy brush. Then I'm taking a detail brush and black, and I'm going over Cocky with a little bit of black just to darken it up. And also the lower lashes as well. Just keep layering colors and blending them until you get the desired look that you want. And then I also decided to darken up my contour. I didn't think it was dark enough, so I went in with a tiny bit of Cocky and just blended that out. So now I'm doing a liner, and I didn't do a wing on this. I just kind of drug the liner down so it kind of creates kind of like a sad puppy eye. And then I'm going in with Perfect, which is the black, and I'm doing my upper waterline. Then filling in my brows with Proper liner. Obviously use whatever color fits your hair color. Then I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply the 3D mascara. And then I think I move on to lips. I just want to make a note about the lips. I hate the lip color that I used in this video. I didn't really get the effect I was going for, so kind of just ignore this. I end up changing it anyways, as you can see in the pictures. But yeah, I was kind of going for like a dying rose, I guess, color, but that didn't work out so well, so I changed it in the end. So enjoy me messing up the lips. I hope it's entertaining. I used 4 different colors. See, man, I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't even plan the lips out. I should have, but oh well, you'll live and learn. So this is Posh, and then I'm going over it with Primal. And then I go in with Pompous. And then in the very center, oh, this is me trying to blend them together. It's not working because they don't smudge. Then in the center, I use Proper. Going over it with a bonbon to try and smudge the colors together and try and save the mistake and disaster that is my lips. It didn't work. So, but in the end, like I said, I ended up changing it. I used, I just put Proper all over my lips. So that's the look. I hate wearing braids, so I hated that. But yeah, that's the look. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I will be happy to answer. Bye, guys.